Today, on International Women's Day, we are celebrating with women around the world, celebrating their achievements. We are taking action to break bias and also to promote equality.
We're working towards a safe, fair and inclusive Ireland. We're bringing forward legislation that will make stalking a standalone criminal offence. And over the past 2 years, government has increased funding to domestic violence refuges by 28%.
I'm very pleased to be in a position to confirm that an additional €1 million will be ring-fenced for additional eating disorder services and supports.
Delivering better outcomes in women's health is our priority. So far, we have increased investment in women's health to €31 million. Some areas where this investment is delivering includes making contraception free for women aged 17 to 25, establishing another 6 gynaecology clinics, committing to an initial 4 publicly funded specialist menopause clinics, and tackling period poverty.
We've made sure that rent supplement is easier to access and immediately available to victims of domestic violence. We've introduced targeted measures to increase female apprentices who will play a pivotal role in delivering housing for all.
As Minister for Education, I particularly wish to acknowledge mothers, grandmothers and guardians who throughout COVID-19 homeschooled and grappled with seesaw while continuing to work remotely with young children.
Budget 2022 brought in more welfare supports to help female-led households. We've also done more from a social welfare perspective to bring more women back into the workforce.
Us women have always been central to farm enterprises across all the generations, but often in roles that weren't visible or our work on the farm wasn't sufficiently recognised. So it's so important that gender mainstreaming is integrated into policy making, both through specific CAP interventions, such as a 60% grant rate for qualified female farmers under TAMS, and also through all the agricultural schemes.
Significant advances have been made in the provision of family leave, including the extension of parental leave and benefits for up to 5 weeks. And we've also introduced legislation where employers of companies over a certain size will have to report annually on the gender pay gap within their companies.
Since becoming Minister for Disabilities in July 2020, I have always ensured that the voices of women and girls with disabilities are always considered in both departments of health and in the Department of Equality. This is something I look forward to building and strengthening over time in my tenure as Minister for Disabilities.
On International Women's Day, we are tackling affordability and availability of childcare and making the sector a better place to work, particularly for disadvantaged.
We've made some real progress and we are working hard to deliver for you.